Hi, good evening. My name is Mike Messias Ida. L41 Luna. My topic is nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is all about cells. This is the definition of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular, and supramolecular scale. The earliest widespread description of nanotechnology referred to the particular technological goal of society precisely manipulating atoms and molecules for fabrication of macroscale products, also now referred to as molecular nanotechnology. Ang nanotechnology ay ang pagmamanipula ng mga bagay sa isang atomic, molecular at supramolecular scale. Ang pinakamaagang kalat-kalat na paglalarawan ng nanotechnology, tinutukoy ang particular na technological sa layunin ng pagmamanipula ng atom at molecule ng mga tiyak na atoms at molecules para sa kathanang macroscale na mga produkto. Ngayon din tinutukoy bilang molecular nanotechnology. This is the example of nanotechnology. Watch the movie.